messenger to carry out a message to our parents and families and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just relax and enjoy as our flying fighter friends are going to show us an amazing treat, awesome stats, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our flying fighter friends? Alright, so to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Chris, and to welcome our blue and gold name, Amigo. Now we originate from South America and we inhabited in the rainforests of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a very responsible bird and sustains environment clean. Now let's see what Amigo will do, alright? So, you pick up the plastic up. Come on, buddy. Alright, so you pick up the crumpled paper, walk all the way up in the bin and drop it inside. And for this, so you pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way up in the bin and drop it inside. And for the last one, buddy, come on, you pick up the plastic cups, walk all the way up in the bin and drop it inside. Now see if the bird can do what I got you, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bin, because we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. Alright, so well, I guess we're making together with this flying fighter first has something to tell us. So what do you want to say to them, buddy? Now welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle and Carl. And wait, they're smart. Come on, buddies. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Marty, Matthew, Kyle, and Carl. And our green wing macaw, Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive birds. So whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. On their diet, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they also have a powerful beak that can crush a hard shell gnat. So in fact, we have a total of 317 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Alright, you wanna stay with me, buddy? Well, I guess you're going back home to get more food. So a round of applause to our flying macaws. So our next bird is a very special, intelligent, age and handsome bird. But I need your help to call our next bird. Can you say Jumbo? Alright, so where are you, buddy, coming out? Alright, so he's our green wing macaw named Jumbo. So this time, buddy, I want you to wave at them. Good bird. So one more time, buddy, can you wave at them? Alright, so macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? For the last one. Alright. So we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under their wings. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Can you say wings? Good bird. One more time, buddy. Say wings. So macaws' wings are dactyls, meaning that they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also use their beak to hold on things and lie. Now Mr. Chris has grabbed that and he will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's your one for Jumbo. Alright. So we are using a reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds. And as what I said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Alright, so we prepare 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having the spelling test. So we have here 5 animal pictures: the snake, camel, tiger, horse, and the zebra. And I want you to choose one animal picture. So what do you want to choose? Alright, so let's have tiger with Miss Gian. So Mr. Chris Irving is preparing the Jumbo letters. Let's have a short interview together with Mr. Chris. Now, Mr. Chris, how are you? What are Jumbo's favorite food? So where is the Jumbo originally came from? South America, but who loves to stay here in the Philippines, right? Alright, so I think think we're all set. Now, why don't you just take a look at the pictures carefully and watch the smell of the tiger. Come on, you can do it. So first, if you get the letter T. Next letter, we have the letter I. The letter G. The letter E. And for the last one, somebody can do it. Come on. Alright, so you can get the letter I. So the tiger spells C-I-G-E-R, correct? Alright, so I think it's too easy for John. So now let's have a mathematical class with addition. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10. So decide what you want to choose. Hand gesture. Alright, so let's have 8 and decide. What do you want to choose? 8 and 5. Okay, let's have number 8 and 5. Now, these what are Jumbo's favorite subjects? English and math. So where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu.
Right, so University of Cebu. Alright, so Jumbo 8 plus 5 is equal to 8 kasi for now. Just take a look at the numbers carefully. So 8 plus 5 is equals to somebody 8 plus 5. Number 1, and for the last number, ready? Alright, so we're going to number 3. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, is it correct? Alright, so our round of applause to our green couple named Jumbo. So at this moment, just don't do an extra movement, just relax and don't touch our bird. Now, I want you to meet our cute fluffy bird named Bunny. Coming up, Bunny. So as you can see, Bunny is a very small bird, but he's a good leader. And he made a lot of friends at home. So after he finished his school, he will go back inside and call his friends. So sandpinners have a golden plumage from their head down to its underpart, and they also have green hair. Thank you. Thank you. You can now take your seat. So ma'am, you're next. Are you ready, ma'am? Again, just don't do an extra movement, relax, and don't touch our bird. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our group of sandpinners, Bunny's friends. Alright, so as you can see, are free to fly without their wings. So we'll let our birds engage in their natural habitat to exercise their natural behavior. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Alright, and for our third volunteer, again, I need an adult volunteer who will stand on the bridge.
Wait, alam boy! Alam ba, ants!
Alright, so just face the crowd and grab your hat with your right hand. Don't do an extra movement. Are you ready, ma'am? Alright, so now I want you to meet our sandpinners couple birds named Dick and Dog. Alright, so sandpinners are monogamous type of birds, meaning that they only have one partner for a lifetime. And if their partner dies, that's the time they will choose to find another mating partner. Thank you, buddies. Thank you, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Alright, again, and for our last volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with a money or with a peso bill.
Let's put
An
it!
adult volunteer with a money. Alright, so sir, please come up here in the stage, sir. Alright, sir, this way, sir.
So, alam niya ako, ano mga bataan? English speaking.
We have your money, sir. So, for now, just
Para bata
For a while,
ka.
I'm listening to
What is it doing?
Alright. And hold the picture. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our another bird species, our flying lories. Come on, buddies. So here are black lories and our rainbow lories. So lories are constantly active and noisy. So meeting a large group or to the other company or corals. Alright, so approximately 70% of their day is spent feeding and they travel almost 48 kilometers a day to find their food. Alright, so thank you, buddy. So now, sir, can you please go back your money and stay inside. And all you have to do is just to hold your money into upright times in the same direction. So just raise your right arm. Okay, you can operate with the bird, sir. Alright, so again, just don't do an extra movement, relax, and don't touch our bird. So we have another sun figure named Sunny. Come on, buddy. So Sunny loves money. Normally in the world, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. Come on. This Sunny. Alright, go up. Alright, so goodbye Sunny and goodbye 50 pesos. Alright, sir, did you enjoy, sir?
Yes.
If you enjoy, let's do it again. So do you have another money, sir, higher than 50 pesos? Wait. Alright, sir. Please come back here, sir. We're just kidding. So Sunny's a very good bird and she's very kind, so we will return back your money. Okay? Again, just stay on that side, raise your right arm, and now open your back. Okay? So Sunny will return back your money. Just grab your money and not the bird. Alright, so where are you, buddy? Coming out. Alright, so Sunny, your comes back is money. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you, sir. You can now take your seat. Alright, so from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil.